Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining Onyx Food Hill. I really do appreciate your efforts. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a simple shrimp fried rice. This is a very common recipe among the Chinese. So right here, without waste of time, I'm just going to run through the ingredients which I'll be using. So I have here cooked rice, soy sauce, few shrimps, green beans, 2 eggs, green peas, chopped onions, ground pepper, red bell peppers, grated ginger and garlic, and fried rice spice. And lastly, some chopped carrots. So before you start making fried rice, you just have to make sure you cook your rice. So here I have here some cooked rice. What you just need to do is just to cook the rice until it becomes soft but not mushy. You don't want your rice to turn soggy while you're frying this. And also you need fresh shrimp. So I'll be using about 20 pieces of shrimps here. So you can increase yours depending on how you want it. Shrimp fried rice, bring your pan on heat, then add peanut oil into it. You can use vegetable oil if you want. I just added about 1 tablespoon of peanut oil to the pan. Now I'll be adding in the shrimp. After you've added the shrimp, just make sure you turn it. You don't have to overcook it. You can just do this for just 3 minutes. You just need it to just change color a little bit. Once it changes color, it means it's cooked, so you can take this off from heat. Remember, I had to season the shrimp with a little salt, and the shrimp was also deveined and the tail also was taken out. So right here I'm going to take this off from the oil. Using the same pan, I'm going to be adding in the egg. You have to make sure you control your heat. You just need to scramble the egg a little bit on a medium heat. So once the other side changes, you have to flip over. Don't let the egg get too brown. So I'm going to break the eggs apart. So because my pan is a little bit small, I'm going to take out the fried egg into a bowl. So after taking out the egg, bring your ginger and garlic into the oil and fry. Also add in some chopped onions and fry until it's fragrant. I'm adding in the bell peppers. This is optional. Also some chopped carrots, the green peas, green beans. Cook this for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, I'm going to be seasoning this with fried rice spice. This is just a tablespoon of fried rice spice. And decide to use curry for this if you want, but I'll use that in place of curry. I'm adding in half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a little salt, and you can also choose to add 1 seasoning cube, but this is optional. If you don't want that, you can take that out. After you've added all this, you stir. You stir fry the vegetables. You have to return the egg. Then you try breaking them into tiny pieces. This is Chinese fried rice, but I had to add my own tricks to it. Added the egg. It's now time to bring in the cooked rice. As I told you, you have to make sure you cook your rice and allow them to stay separate. They shouldn't clump together. So after you've added the rice, add about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce to it. I'll be stirring this until everything is perfectly combined. Everything is perfectly combined, and now the rice has taken over the color of the soy sauce. The soy sauce gives the fried rice this golden beautiful color. So right away, because I know everything is mixed and is so delicious, I'm going to bring in the shrimp which I have kept aside. So you just mix this, leave this to cook on a medium heat for another 5 minutes, and your shrimp fried rice is cooked. So guys, this was how to prepare some delicious shrimp fried rice. This looks so good and really delicious. I hope you try this out. Thanks for watching my video. Do remember to subscribe to my channel, share, like and comment on my video. See you next time. Stay tuned.